Hi everyone, I'm Mohamed Rifad. I work at Cisco Labs as a senior quality engineering lead. Cisco Lab is owned by Cisco. Cisco is one of the largest food distribution company in the USA. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to use the test automation code in performance engineering. So I have been using this code or this framework in a couple of live projects, and it was really successful and it really saves a lot of time. Let's get into the demo, guys.
Yeah, hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the topic automation script for performance testing. So